हुस्न जाना की तारीफ मुमकिन नहीं, हुस्न जाना की तारीफ मुमकिन नहीं। आफरी आफरी।
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Steffi and I am back again with another bridal tutorial. Today I am going to show you the Sangeet night makeover. Sangeet function is one of the fun and colorful function before the wedding. Therefore, its makeover is also going to be a colorful one. If you did not subscribe yet, do subscribe my channel. So without taking much time, let's start the video. I am starting the makeup by prepping my skin using the primer by Blue Heaven Studio Perfection. First, I am using the brown eyebrow pencil from Miss Claire to outline my eyebrows and shaping them. Then, I am filling in the sparse area of my eyebrows with the eyebrow gel from Music Flower. For foundation, I am using the foundation by Wet n Wild in the shade Golden Beige, which is a medium to full coverage foundation. Blending it out with a damp beauty sponge. I am using the concealer from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Tan Light to conceal my under eyes and then blending it with a beauty sponge. Then brightening all the high points including nose, forehead, chin and then blending well to get a flawless base. To add some structure to my face, I am contouring my face using a contour stick from Mars 3D Balm. Using a brush to apply this, starting from the hollows of my cheeks, jawlines, nose and forehead. And then we'll blend it out using a kabuki brush. And then to set my base makeup, I am using a translucent powder. Then I am locking my base makeup using a setting spray. The one I am using is from Blue Heaven Studio Fix. I am again using the same concealer to clean up the borders of my eyebrows and then priming it for the eye makeup. Moving on to the eye makeup, I am using Swiss Beauty and Hilary Doda's combined eyeshadow palette. First, I am picking this light violet shade from this palette and using it on my eyelids as a transition color. Second, I am taking this deep purple shade and using it on the corner, making a V shape and deepening the corner. Then, I am picking this blue shade and placing it beside the purple color and blending both the shade well. Picking this deep pink shade from the palette, I am placing it beside the blue shade and will blend it well. Taking this light pink shade from the palette and placing it beside the deep pink shade and blend it well. Lastly, I am taking this green shade and using it on the inner corner of my eye. Then I am using the light violet shade to blend out all the harsh edges formed in the crease. I am using the deep purple shade in the outer corner of my lower lash line. Then I am taking the pink shade and using it on the middle of the lower lash line. And then taking the green shade, I am using it on the inner corner of my lower lash line. For kajal, I am applying the gel liner in black shade and using it on my waterline. For eyeliner, I am applying the liquid eyeliner from Lakme in a deep black shade. I am using the Folk Mink lashes by Kele Liz. And here's the complete colorful eye makeup for the Sangeet function. For blush, I am using the blush by Swiss Beauty's Baked Blush and using it on the high planes of my cheek. And for highlighting my face, I am using the highlighter from Swiss Beauty's Ultra Glow, which will give a glowing look to my face. For lipstick, I am using two shades. To line up my lips, I am using a maroon shade from Matte Me, and then I am using a pink shade from Matte Me to make the lips match up with my look. And this is the final look. As this look is for Sangeet night, the outfit needs to be a colorful one. So I paired this look with a floral blue and pink lehenga and used some stone jewelry, some neck pieces in blue as well as pink. Believe me, try out this look if you are getting ready by yourself in your Sangeet night, and you will love yourself in this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new here, do subscribe my channel. Also, my social media links are given. If you want, you can follow me there as well. Lots of love, bye guys, and I'll see you soon with a new video.